What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Mommy Heels. I am back with a DIY, yes. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the Heel Gang, all right? Y'all, for this video, I'm so excited because this is my first DIY fall centerpiece, okay? All the items that you see here are from either the Dollar Tree or Family Dollar. All right, I try to stay within reason, and I'm using a base from an old plant that I no longer wanted. Took the stuffing out of that. Um, as you can see, I got some pumpkins, some leaves, everything that's very fall and festive. So yeah, I'm just winging it. I got some ideas from Pinterest, and I'm ready to roll. All right. So like I said, first of all, I'm going to take some of that old stuffing out of that base so that I can put some new foam in there and start off with a fresh base, okay? And it was a little tough taking this foam out. I didn't think it would be this hard, but I was just winging it. So I was struggling here. So y'all gonna see me struggling taking this stuff out, but I finally got it out, okay? So once the stuffing is out, I decided to go ahead and put in the foam, okay? So you'll see me taking the new foam, put it in the base, and get it to fit. My goal was to make sure that it was nice and sturdy so that when I went ahead and applied the rest of my decor items, that it would, stay in place. All right, yeah, so every fall centerpiece that I've seen that I liked had either the candle holder in the middle or some type of candle attached to it. So that's what I was going for. I needed something that had at least one or two candles included into the centerpiece. So what I did was I used some old wine glasses I had and another wine glass that I got from the Goodwill. And I tried to incorporate that. Can't even talk today. I tried to incorporate that into my fall centerpiece. And then what you'll see here is the final look of me actually adding the wine glasses to the centerpiece and getting it to stay in the foam. Now what I'm going to do is just go around and kind of place the items where I want them. I'm not going to glue them down just yet. I just want to make sure that I have an idea as to where everything's going to go, make sure it's the way I want it, trying to get it to look, um, as nice as possible to my liking. And y'all, this year Dollar Tree has some really, really cute pumpkins. They had all kind. They had the glitter pumpkins. They had white pumpkins. They had some really, really nice things there. I was surprised. So you'll see me getting my handy dandy glue gun out. I'm getting ready to glue these babies on. And yeah, I decided to put the nicer pumpkins up front so that they can be seen. Um, I really do like the white pumpkins. I also like the pumpkins that had like the little glitter on them. Um, like I said, I didn't know what I was going for at first. All I know is that I wanted something fall-like and festive, and I just went with it. I must say, y'all, this was very, very easy. I can see myself doing this again for Christmas or for other holidays. I would definitely do this again. This was very easy. It makes me want to try other, using other items, different ways to actually make my own centerpiece. And, I just had fun with it. I'm not even gonna lie, I just had fun with this. And I think I was just so excited to see how it would turn out that I really didn't care. I was just, putting it together just to get it done and just to, see the final look. I was just so excited about that. And again, y'all, like I said, I have fun with this. When you're doing things like this, just have fun with it. I felt like I was back in high school doing a project. Like this was fun, but it definitely had me um, thinking outside the box. So this is the final look with the candle holders. I think it turned out okay, but for me, I felt like it was missing something. I was like, you know what? I just need something more. I don't know if it was too much or not enough, but what I did was I ended up taking those candle holders out, which you'll see in the next clip, and I just decided to go ahead and fill the whole basket up with pumpkins. Like I said, it wasn't bad, but for me, I just needed something more. It wasn't what I expected. So I took the candle holders out and I went ahead and just filled the whole basket full of pumpkins, leaves, pine cones, rocks, different things like that. It just made it a full festive basket. Now, I knew I wanted some candles somewhere. So what I did was I took the same old wine glasses and I just put them on the side of the fall basket because I knew I wanted candles somewhere. I just had to incorporate it some kind of way. So I just took those candles, put it on the side, and added these cute little white candles. These candles are also from the Dollar Tree as well. And I just added those to the top to give it some extra flair. And I think this turned out really, really nice for my kitchen island. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. I was really, really happy with the end result. I ended up changing those candles out and putting the orange candles instead, and I think that screams fall a little bit better than the white candles. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? Till next time, mwah. Bye, YouTube.